Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
In this lecture, we are going to study about the steps of the Kaizen or steps of performing the Kaizen. Generally, Kaizen is performed in a PDCA or plan, do, seek and act phase, and following the PDCA cycle, Kaizen can be implemented in the 6 steps. The first step is to define the problem and discover the improvement potential. We then collect the facts and analyze the current methods. We then generate the original ideas and then evaluate the new methods and develop implementation plan. After that, we implement the plan. This is the act phase. And then we develop the implementation plan. So broadly, in the first phase, we clarify the problem and learn to see ways and improvement potentials. We complete the team and develop a mindset and attitude. And we clarify the voice of customers and value and learn from previous improvements. In the second phase, we see on the workflow itself for understanding the problem. And then we sketch the process. We generally sketch the process using the value stream mapping and analyze the facts with the root cause analysis tools. In the third step, we apply benchmarking and brainstorming or any other techniques to develop the original ideas and solutions. In the fourth stage, we generate a solution with the brainstorming session. We then choose the solution and create the effective implementation plans. In the fifth stage, we create effective environment for implementation of the plan. We also make a plan and schedule, for example, via the A3 form. Finally, we check whether the problem has been removed and no longer reoccurs. We act in case of any inaccuracies. We follow the standardized work practices and follow up to ensure that the gains are sustained.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.